Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw an alien. So first of all, I think I might start with his eyes. I'm going to draw one here, like this. I'm going to draw a circle here. I'm going to leave that bit white, colour that bit in, so it's nice and shiny. And next one I'm going to do here. That's another one. An oval that, and then do one here. A white bit there. There we go. And then I'm going to do the outside of the eyes. It's a bit hard to draw a big circle, so you might want to draw around something instead. Mine's a little bit wonky. To draw this one. 3 eyes. And the last one. There we go. Right. And then I'm going to do some blobby bits on the eyes. A bit like a frog, I think. Like frog eyes. And wobbly line like that, just to there. And then the same to there. Let's neaten that up. And we're going to do another one on this one, blob eye. There we go. And then another wobbly line to here. It's going to connect to the head. Last one. There we go. If I go too fast, pause the video and then you can catch up, because sometimes I forget and go too fast. I'm going to connect that to there, that to there, and go around and off the page slightly. I've coloured on the table. You might want to put some newspaper underneath or a piece of paper. Down like that, and then across. What are you doing, my little puppy? What's she up to? She's called Annie, and she had her first visit to the beach yesterday. And she's only a miniature sausage dog. She's tiny, smaller than a cat, and she went straight in the sea. Loved it. I'll put some videos on my Facebook page if you want to have a look. I've got a bit like a frog eyes and frog hands. So I'm going to bring the elbow down the arm like that, and I'm going to do this going off page and try not colour on the desk because I'll be in trouble. Yes, done it. Right, so do some nostrils. All you need to do is little like that. There we go. And then a wobbly mouth, like he's going hello. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Like that. And I found my pen. It's not the biggest one. I don't know where the biggest one is, so I could colour in quicker. There we go, putting the lid on the wrong pen there. Let's pop that up there. So, you've noticed there's a massive space here, and I've left that for a reason, because I want you to invent your own alien. So what you could do, like I've done, I've pinched ideas from an animal, like the frog, a little bit like a frog. So you could do that, have a look, maybe an insect, or you could just invent your own, make it up. But you can get inspiration from different animals, a lizard, or anything you want. You could do a fairy alien. Alien could be as anything you want it to look like. So if you would like to send your picture to me, all the details are below. You don't have to invent your own alien. You could just do that one. And I will post them on my page, on my Facebook page. I'd love to see your drawings. And thank you very much for watching. See you next time.